In this video, I will show you how to disable and enable and use the TalkBack function on your Samsung Galaxy A15. So the TalkBack function actually on this phone absolutely sucks and it's terrible to use. So yeah, it needs huge improvement basically. So if you have accidentally enabled it, this is how you can get out of this mode. First, we need to use two fingers at the same time to scroll basically. And to select an app, we need to click once so it turns like this with basically like square here around and then double tap on it. So first find your settings. If you got your settings in the app drawer, use two fingers to go here. So, or yep, we can also access the settings from the top here as well. So click on settings once and then double tap. Again, use two fingers to scroll down till you see the accessibility settings here. Click once and double tap it. Okay, TalkBack. Click once, double tap it. You see it sometimes doesn't even register. Okay, select on, turn off, and click twice. Man, it's terrible mode. So it doesn't even work half the time really, and it's not responsive. So if you want to enable it, you can do it again in these settings in accessibility and TalkBack. I really suggest to enable this toolbar shortcut basically. So we can select which options we want to actually to get to the TalkBack function very fast and to turn it off very easily. So I suggest to use buttons because this on the screen it will get placed here basically, but it's terrible. I can't really access it most of the time. It's completely stupid garbage basically. So anyway, this is how I do it on this phone. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!